Welcome back to Tap Tech. Today, we're diving into the world of compact camera stabilizers. And our focus is on the DJI RS4 Mini. This is DJI's latest lightweight gimbal designed for mirrorless and compact cameras. It's small, sleek, and surprisingly powerful. Whether you're a vlogger, travel filmmaker, or content creator, this could be your new best friend. So, let's unbox it, explore its features, test its performance, and see if it's worth your money. Let's get into it. First up, a design. The RS4 Mini looks very familiar, and that's not a bad thing. It follows the design language of the RS series, with a clean, matte black finish and red accents. But the biggest highlight is its size and weight. This thing is ultralight. It weighs just about 850 grams with the battery grip included. That's significantly lighter than the full-sized RS4 or RS4 Pro. It's perfect for one-handed operation. You can hold it for longer shoots without fatigue. It fits easily in a backpack. It's a travel filmmaker's dream. Despite its size, DJI didn't compromise on the build quality. The RS4 Mini feels solid. It's made with high-quality aluminum, alloy, and plastic. The grip has a textured rubber surface that feels secure and comfortable. There's a 1.4-inch touchscreen that's bright and responsive. It's the same screen used in other RS models. The menu system is familiar if you've used DJI gimbals before. If you haven't, don't worry. The UI is very simple and intuitive. Now let's talk about camera compatibility. The RS4 Mini can handle up to 2 kilograms of payload. That means it supports most mirrorless cameras and lightweight cinema setups. It pairs perfectly with popular models like the Sony a7 IV, Canon R7, Panasonic GH6, and Fuji X-T5. Even with a lens, most of these setups stay within the payload range. DJI even published a full compatibility list. It includes dozens of cameras and lenses tested for balance. So, it's clear they're taking small creators seriously. Balancing the RS4 Mini is actually very easy, thanks to the new auto lock axis design. This feature locks all 3 axes when the gimbal is off or in sleep mode. No more flopping arms when transporting it. It also makes setup much easier. You can lock one axis at a time and balance with precision. It has the new quick-release plate system. This is part of the upgraded 2nd-gen native vertical shooting mode. You don't need a separate L bracket to shoot vertical anymore. Just mount your camera, press the screen, and rotate. This is perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. And vertical footage no longer means compromising stability or balance. DJI also improved the motors and stabilization algorithms. Even though the RS4 Mini is small, its motors are about 30% stronger than the RS3 Mini. That's a big jump. It makes a difference when using heavier lenses or shooting in windy environments. The stabilization is buttery smooth. Walking, running, even fast pans, it handles them effortlessly. It has the same 3-axis stabilization tech DJI is famous for. But now, packed into a lighter frame, you also get support for wireless camera control, especially with Bluetooth 5.2. This means if you're using compatible cameras like Sony or Canon, you can start and stop recording, change settings, or take photos, all from the gimbal. No extra cables needed. It's fast, stable, and reliable. This keeps your setup cleaner. And fewer cables mean fewer things to break. Now, let's talk about modes. The RS4 Mini features all the familiar DJI gimbal modes. There's pan follow, tilt lock, and FPV. You also get 3D roll 360, which is great for dramatic spinning shots. And of course, the sport mode. With just a tap on the M button, you can switch modes on the fly. Sport mode is responsive and aggressive, perfect for fast-moving subjects. One standout feature is the customizable trigger button. By default, holding it locks the camera direction. But you can change that in the settings. Make it switch to FPV mode, or double tap to recenter, the choice is yours. You also get access to the Ronin app. This app is powerful. From it, you can control the gimbal remotely, adjust motor strength, set custom profiles, and run balance tests. You can even use features like Force Mobile, where the gimbal mimics your phone's motion. Want to control it from a distance? Use the virtual joystick. Everything is wireless. Battery life is another win here. The RS4 Mini has up to 10 hours of battery on a single charge. That's more than enough for a full shooting day. It charges via USB-C. A full charge takes about 2.5 hours. But even a 15-minute charge gives you enough juice for short sessions. And yes, you can use it while charging. Let's move on to real-world use. The RS4 Mini excels in handheld scenarios. If you're walking around the city, vlogging, or filming events, this is your tool. Its small size means you draw less attention. Great for candid shots. The gimbal boots up fast. It's ready in about 2 seconds. And the responsiveness is instant. You move, it moves. No lag. When mounted to a tripod or slider, the RS4 Mini performs beautifully. You can set motion paths in the app and let it run automated shots. Ideal for time-lapse or B-roll. You can even use the Raven transmission system, sold separately, for live video feed. It transforms your mobile phone into a wireless monitor. And that's a big bonus for solo shooters. Let's talk about performance under load. With something like a Sony a7 IV and a 24-70mm f/2.8 lens, the RS4 Mini handles well. There's no motor strain. Even during motion-heavy tracking shots, it stays smooth. DJI's algorithm does a great job correcting micro jitters. You can run upstairs or circle around subjects, and the footage still looks cinematic. The Mini also has a useful auto-tune feature. Tap the screen, and it tests motor strength for your setup. No manual calibration needed. You can also fine-tune stiffness and responsiveness for more control. Now, let's compare it to the RS3 Mini. At first glance, they seem similar. But the RS4 Mini brings key improvements. Better motor strength. Faster balancing. Improved Bluetooth connectivity. Native vertical shooting. And a better locking system. It's not a massive overhaul, but for serious users, these upgrades matter. What about accessories? The RS4 Mini is compatible with many DJI RS accessories. You can mount external monitors, mics, or lights using the NATO rail. The included tripod base is sturdy and doubles as a handle. And if you need more, DJI sells add-ons like the focus motor, Raven Eye, and handle grip extensions. You can build this into a full rig if needed. Now let's talk about price. The RS4 Mini is priced around $279. That's very competitive. You're getting pro-level stabilization in a compact frame at a fraction of the cost of larger gimbals. It hits the sweet spot for YouTubers, indie filmmakers, wedding videographers, and travel shooters. It's cheaper than the RS4 and RS4 Pro, but delivers 80 to 90% of the same experience, unless you need heavy payload support or dual grips. And for most people, the RS4 Mini is more than enough. Who is this for? If you're a solo content creator. If you shoot on the go. If you want a gimbal that's light, powerful, and affordable. Then the DJI RS4 Mini is a fantastic choice, but if you shoot with big cinema cameras like the Red Komodo or Canon C70, this isn't for you. You'll need the RS4 Pro. Also, the RS4 Mini doesn't support dual-handle setups natively. So, for long days on set, a heavier rig might offer more comfort. Let's sum it up. Pros: lightweight and travel-friendly, powerful stabilization, native vertical shooting, easy to balance, strong motor performance, excellent battery life. Wireless camera control, affordable price. Cons: limited to 2 kg payload, no built-in screen flip like some competitors, no joystick locking, not ideal for cinema rigs, but overall, DJI nailed it. The RS4 Mini is the perfect evolution of the Mini line. It's small. It's smart. And it's strong. A rare combo. If you're ready to level up your video production without breaking your back or your bank, this is a no-brainer. Thanks for watching this full review of the DJI RS4 Mini. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Tap Tech for more reviews, comparisons, and tutorials. We've got more gear reviews coming up, so stay tuned. This is Tap Tech, and we'll see you in the next one.